Hey beauties, it's Daisy and I'm back with another video. Today we have a deep curly wave wig from BeautyForever. I'm gonna get in all the details and you're gonna love it, so make sure you stay tuned. Here's how the packaging looks once you receive it. They sent me a deep wave curly highlighted wig. It's 24 inches and it came with a wig cap, an adjustable strap, of course, to make sure it fits your head properly. Here is the wig straight out of the package, and as you guys can see, the knots are a little bit dark, so I did bleach them off camera. And if you are interested in doing that, you can just put some pressed powder in the parting space. But I want you guys to take a look at these curls, honey. They look so good. And here's a close-up of inside of the wig. So look at this wig I got going on. Volume for days, honey. You see this? This is gonna be my Beyoncé wig, y'all. And I usually don't wear my wigs this full, but I'm gonna show you guys how we transform this wig from start to finish. So the wig already came plucked. I plucked it a little bit more. So first things first, I'm gonna work on this parting space. It doesn't have to be perfect right now, but I wanna get it a little bit flat, so when I put water to it, everything just lays perfectly. So I got my wax stick. And of course my hot comb. I'm really just trying to get the edges straight and the parting space as flat as possible for the moment. So of course we're gonna be using Got2b glue to install this. This wig is a little bit short for my head, but we're gonna make it work. Like, see my sideburns? They're still hanging out. I hate when that happens, but you're not gonna be able to tell by the end of this video. So now I'm just gonna brush out these curls. Look how full this looks. Like, this is crazy. I'm gonna do one side at a time so you can see the difference. All right, if you're somebody that likes a really full wig, this is definitely the wig to get. If you're like me and you like a little more subtle, I'm gonna show you how to make that happen. So using water mixed with conditioner, we're just gonna drench the wig. Then you see that curl pattern just comes right back. Check them out. Look at the difference, y'all. Woo! It's not even the same wig. So I leave my wigs looking like this, really drenched, and the curls are super tight, so when they dry, it will still have that same curl pattern with more volume. So I'm just gonna do my makeup, we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna get this hairline right. the final look, and this is the wig after it's been air dried for a few hours. It's super full and I love the volume. It's a little bit thicker than I normally would wear, but it's giving me Beyoncé, Foxy Cleopatra vibes. I love the deep curls and the highlights. They're just giving me life. This wig has minimal shedding and tangling, so it's good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love this hair so much. I want to thank BeautyForever Hair for sending me this wig, and of course you guys for watching, and until my next video, later.